So we made a video a couple of days ago about how Anthropic has given Blender whatever level of donation, like however much money, and they've joined them as a corporate patron. And my, let's call them concerns about that whole thing happening. After making the video, I looked around, and apparently I wasn't the only one who had some, again, we'll call them concerns about this. There were tons of other videos, tons of things on, Reddit and other places where people are just like, what's this going to turn into? So, again, this is just a couple days ago, and now if you go to the link that was on that post, or Blender's link here, they've already updated the page, and they have shifted some things, and they already have a link to a new blog post. So I want to show you that if you haven't seen it, and if you were maybe concerned about this as well. So this is the new page here, and this is May 1st, and this is from Francesco Cidi, who's the CEO and chairman. And basically I'll just read through some of this. So recently we announced that Anthropic was joining the Blender Development Fund as a corporate patron member. Since then, we've heard concerns from the community around how we engage with any AI company. We should have opened up more conversation and perspectives from contributors before making this decision. For that, we're sorry. After an in-depth discussion with the team and several community contributors, we have decided to receive the funds as a singular donation instead of a development fund membership, similar to how other open source organizations have handled such contributions. Anthropic has been informed and supports this decision. So I'll pause there, and just to give some more context, because maybe you use Blender, but you're not really familiar with some of the behind the scenes. So the way that they do things, and this is a different page, this is like Blender Development Fund, and this talks about their corporate membership and the different levels they have here. And the level that Anthropic was at a couple of days ago was the patron level here. So that's this level. This is the top level. They have to give them at least 240K and etc. What they get is to the right here, and this is everything that's previously listed here, and then press release or whatever, tech blog post, don't care, and then dedicated product manager for your area. That's significant. And then that's previous, so all these things apply too. So now you get a board contact. Well, that's significant. So now you have direct board access. And then again, as previous, now you have a developer liaison. Okay, so you have a developer, you have board contact, and you have a dedicated product manager. That seems like a lot, but if you scroll up and then you read some of this stuff, and it's like this for organizations who want to contribute, fine, membership fees or blah, 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 used to fund generally approved core development projects. Fine, that's great. And the facilities to make these possible, no problem. By assigning corporate members a board and developer contact, they have the opportunity to monitor more closely what will get funded with donation contributions. Now that's where it starts, for me at least. This is where it starts getting a little concerning, because it was just like, well, wait a minute. So now if you're at the level where you get a board and developer contact, which it's down here, developer liaison, board contact, so those are both before patron, so they would get both of those. They can at least weigh in on where the money goes. They'll probably, if I gave whoever a bunch of money and I got to weigh in on how that money was spent, I would probably have some of it at least go to things that are in my best interest or my company's best interest. So, okay, and keep going, and Blender Foundation will actively reach out to corporate members to discuss the annual planning for grant and review past supported projects. Excuse me. So again, they get to work with the foundation and the board to basically say where the money goes. this is at least my concern initially. It was just like, if you're at the corporate patron level, you get to decide how the money that comes in gets spent. And generally, if you just give more money, you get more say. So this was a lot of people's concern. And again, in Blender's huge support, they're like, hey, we didn't think about this. Like we got a lot of stuff going on. So we just kind of need money because we make everything free and open source and people don't really donate to us, so we're trying to keep this thing going. Like, I get it from the purely business perspective. Most people use Blender, they don't pay anything, and Blender needs money to pay developers, to pay all kinds of stuff. So big company has lots of money, like, hey, if you want to keep Blender going, we need some money. So I get it from that perspective. Again, it's the corporate patron level that is concerning. But what they're doing now, instead of putting them at that top tier level, is that they are going to receive the funds as a singular donation. So if you come back over here, that's not up here anymore. I mean, I don't even know if singular donation puts them at bronze level, but it's just, I don't think it does. But either way, it isn't platinum, titanium, or patron. It's just singular donation, and they don't get the same, board assignee and developer liaison and all the other things. So we'll link this new updated post in the description if you want to read through it. Again, there's not much more to it. I've read probably half of it, and the rest is on the screen right now. But their whole thing is, Blender is a tool for artists and creators. It's made by humans for humans. No generative AI functionality is currently available or planned to be integrated. I'm sure a lot of people will be happy about that. Again, not against AI. Use AI daily. Make these videos daily. Write about it daily. Not against it at all. There is a concern for this tool specifically because the things that they had put out there, that I've seen at least, have, I won't say it's been against AI, but it hasn't been like, hey, we're gonna make this tool an AI first tool. Like, there was nothing in Blender that gave the indication that it would shift to kind of an AI first tool, which usually means a lot of things have to change and be really different. But doesn't matter, because their whole thing is that they are not doing that, and they're not planning to do anything in that direction. So I will take them at their word, and I mean, we'll have to just kind of all stand by and see what happens. But for now, again, Blender has released an update to the whole Anthropic is joining as a corporate patron. They have shifted that position. They have, discussed it with Anthropic, and Anthropic apparently supports the decision. They're still gonna make the donation, but it's gonna be received as a singular donation instead of a corporate patron level donation. So looks like Blender is gonna stay Blender for now, at least. So yeah, I don't know. Let us know how you feel about that, and then we'll see you next time.